At its peak, the Mayan civilization was one of the most advanced societies the ancient world had ever seen. For over 2,000 years, the Maya built towering pyramids, developed a sophisticated writing system, mastered astronomy, and created one of the most accurate calendars in human history. At their height between 250 and 900 AD, their cities stretched across present-day Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, and Honduras, home to millions of people living under powerful kings and complex religious traditions. Cities like Tikal, Palenque, and Chichen Itza were not just settlements. They were centers of science, art, and political power, rivaling anything the ancient world had to offer. The Maya did not build a single unified empire, but a network of city-states, each competing for dominance, trade, and territory. Then, between the 8th and 10th centuries, something went terribly wrong. One by one, the great southern cities were abandoned. Populations collapsed. Temples fell silent. Historians and scientists point to a devastating combination of prolonged drought, widespread warfare between city-states, overpopulation, deforestation, and the breakdown of political order. There was no single moment of collapse. It was a slow, painful unraveling that unfolded over generations. By 900 AD, the heart of the Mayan world had gone quiet. Yet the Maya never truly disappeared. Their descendants, numbering in the millions, still live across Central America today. The Mayan story is not just one of collapse. It is one of extraordinary human resilience that continues to this day.